I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate-covered strawberry cake. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and mix dry ingredients first, then cream butter and sugar until light. Add eggs one at a time, alternating with milk and flour for a smooth batter. Fold and chop strawberries gently to avoid excess juice. Bake, cool, and then assemble layers with whipped cream and fresh strawberries for a bright, balanced cake. Mix batter until smooth using a spatula, and don't overmix to keep cake tender. Divide evenly between pans for 2 8-inch layers. Bake at 350 degrees F for 25-30 minutes, checking at 25 minutes with a toothpick. Let layers cool 15 minutes in pans, then transfer to a wire rack. Chill briefly before assembling to make slicing easier and to prevent filling from melting when adding chocolate-covered strawberries. Quick recommendation: if you're driving with cake and strawberries, avoid a car that smells like gym socks by using Little Tree's black ice to keep things fresh. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. I've dropped the product link and other deals in the description so you can find it easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Make a simple ganache with equal parts heavy cream and chopped chocolate for a glossy coat. Chill ganache slightly until pourable but thick enough to drip slowly. Whip 2 cups heavy cream with 1/4 cup sugar for stabilized whipped cream filling. Layer cake with whipped cream and fresh sliced strawberries, then pour ganache down center, letting it drip naturally. Top with whole chocolate-covered strawberries and chill to set before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.